Welcome to lesson number 4, setting up branding and templates. As research teams scale, manual training and oversight for every project can become too time-consuming to manage on your own. With Research Hub, you can set up branding, templates, and other team-wide customizations to streamline research for everyone involved. In this lesson of our Hub for Research Ops Setup and Onboarding course, we'll show you what global customization options you have in Research Hub and how to customize branding and templates for your team. As you're setting up Research Hub for your team, you can customize your company logo to add credibility to all participant communications. You can set an email theme to consistently style all emails that are sent to participants. You can use email templates to auto-populate email content based on study type and format. You can authenticate your email domain to send emails from a trusted account. You can set sender profiles so that all participants receive emails from a recognizable email address. You can customize your confirmation page to show participants a thank you after they apply. You can customize your consent form to automatically collect informed consent from all participants. Please note that while admins can create a default email theme, templates, and sender profiles to guide teams towards the best and safest options, these options are not locked, meaning researchers will still be able to select alternatives if they need to. Now we'll talk about how to customize the branding and templates for your team. To get started, you'll want to visit your team settings page and head to the branding, templates, and advanced options tabs. To begin, we'll start by adding a logo. And from the branding tab, you'll want to click on upload your logo. You'll choose the logo from your downloaded images and click save logo to apply it to all of your participant-facing pages. And that's it. Your logo will appear on all participant-facing pages, including the invitation email, your application and screener survey pages, document signing pages, the scheduling page, and more. Next, we'll walk through how to create and set up a default email theme. So from the branding tab, you'll want to click the Add New Theme button, and then give your new template a name, edit the HTML or CSS style, and hit save. Teams typically customize their logo, button color, font spacing. They add their social media links in the footer as well. It is fully customizable, and we really want to embrace the look and feel of your company. Next up is how to create an email template set. From the Templates tab on the Team Settings page, you'll want to click New Template Set and fill out the details, including the template set name, the study type and location it will be used for, and whether or not you'd like to set it as a default. From here, you'll click Next, and you'll be directed to a page where you can edit each email notification within that template set. We recommend teams set up an email template set for each type of research that they're doing, one-to-one moderated interview, a survey, or for specific products that they have or certain profiles that they're targeting. And for a little user interviews pro tip, enter the / symbol into the body of your email to see all supported variable types for the template. Try to make the emails your own, both in the language and tone, and also removing any variables that you might not want to use. Next, we'll talk through how to set up your custom email domain. First, you'll want to access your domain's DNS settings. Log into your domain provider to access the DNS settings for your domain. You'll then want to add the provided DNS records. So in your domain's DNS settings, add the records provided by user interviews. This involves the TXT and CNAME records. For example, some providers require that both TXT and CNAME records for hostname exclude the domain name. We advise reviewing your domain provider's support documentation as necessary. Here is an example of how we authenticated our own user interviews domain. And if your domain hasn't been successfully authenticated after 48 hours, we recommend double-checking the configuration within your DNS host, as well as their support documentation about guidelines for entering these records. And once the domain is authenticated, we can move on to create sender profiles. From the Advanced Options tab of your Team Settings page, scroll down to the Sender Profile section and click Create a Profile. You'll then want to type in the name you want to use and select a verified email address. Your sender profile can now be applied to new and existing projects. And note, if you want to use custom sender profiles with your company domain, you must first ensure that your domain was authenticated successfully. To edit the confirmation page that participants see after applying to your study, you'll want to go to the Templates tab of your Team Settings page, scroll to the Application Confirmation page section and click Edit. From here, you'll feel free to customize the page header and body copy, applying text formatting with a simple editor. You'll then be able to click Preview to view what the final page will look like to your participants. Any updates you made to this page will be applied to all projects launched by your team. And lastly, we'll talk through how to edit your data consent form. You'll want to navigate to the Advanced Options tab of your Team Settings page, From here, you can type out or paste in your data consent notice, apply formatting for better readability, and preview your changes in real time. You can also link out to your company's privacy policy or other relevant information in the footer section. And if you don't have a notice prepared, we've provided a simple statement for you to build upon. I'd like to be notified of research studies that may be relevant to me based on the data I've provided. Then you'll want to hit save, and once you've created this consent notice, it will appear in two places, the panel opt-in form as well as the project application form. Once you've saved a notice, a toggle will appear, allowing you to turn it off and on as needed. Congratulations, you've set up branding and templates in Research Hub. Now you can ensure that all participant-facing communications across your team are professional, consistent, and customized to your company.